I know last year we sold a 5-axis 30U directly as a result of the show. So no questions to me, we'll always be here.
Today I'm here at Southern Manufacturing and I'm on the Hurco stand. I'm also here with David Waghorn to find out why shows like this are so important. So, David, why did you take the decision to come to shows like this?
I think Southern Manufacturing now is part of the annual calendar. We always know start of the year we're coming here. It's a good general show. There's a lot of people from our industry. It's a good chance to have a catch up with everyone, see what they're thinking about the market, seeing a couple of the new developments. And for us, it's a really good opportunity to show off more the standard machines, the popular machines, the big sellers.
So, what sort of things are you showcasing at this year's show?
Yeah, this year we're showing, I'd say, more our standard popular machines. So things like the VM10, the compact, most popular machine in centre, and also we've got a TM6 over there. What people come to here is to see some of the programming. I mean, you can see some of the conversational programming behind you, but we've also got some really nice features that keep coming out and keep getting enhanced. So things like the solid model import is really something new, unique to Hurco. We can easily show it on a machine like this, and there's really no one else can do anything like that. So that's the kind of thing that's really good to emphasise at a show like this.
I think it's great as well that people can come and actually have hands-on experience on the machine with one of the technical guys as well, because it's all right looking for a machine, but if you can get comfortable on it before you buy it, I think that's such a great... It's great for people who aren't sure about taking the decision to have this here.
Yeah, it's all hands-on. It's very simple demos. We can, in half an hour, get someone programming a simple part. I think actually today, I didn't mention to you, there's a customer coming from Ireland just to learn how to set up tools on his TM6. So.
Well, that's a bit of a journey, and I thought I'd had an hour journey coming 4 hours, so...
Yeah, he booked his flights and he didn't realise we'd sent the machines to the show, so he's got a trip to Southern Manufacturing in the deal, so not too bad. Not
too bad a thing though, is it? Because at least he'll get to have a day out, and like you said, he'll probably join one of your applications engineers, have a good tutorial. By the time he leaves, he'll know exactly how to run it. So, if people are on the fence about coming to the manufacturing show, what would you say to the guys not thinking of coming?
I think it's easy to find. Certainly if you're anywhere in the south of England, it's no more than a couple of hours away. There's a lot of suppliers, there's tooling, there's finance, there's work holding. It's a good show, it's well attended, and what you'll see is everyone will see someone they know, and that's what I find. I'll end up in 10 or 12 conversations I didn't expect, and it's a good show. It's always worth coming to, and we find when we come here, we'll meet a couple of new customers. I know last year we sold a 5-axis 30U directly as a result of the show, so no questions to me, we'll always be here.
So there you have it, you should definitely be here. So if you're on the fence or think, shall I or shan't I take that day out of work? I think after what David's just said, you should definitely take that option.